What if you could get local businesses to pay you anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000 upfront plus $300 every single month by not even selling a website at all? Because what I'm about to show you is no basic website. It's an AI-powered website that turns a business's online presence into a 24/7 customer support and sales machine. The best part about the system I'm about to show you is it's very easy to set up and very easy to maintain. So you can get your time back and stack that recurring revenue even if you are a complete beginner with no experience. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I build AI smart websites, and I'm even gonna give you one completely for free so you can get started right away. So I'm not gonna waste any of your time. I'm just gonna show you exactly what a smart website is. So this is a smart website. This is a normal website, okay? Do you see the difference? Well, if you don't, I'll tell you. Obviously, a regular website looks way worse. This looks way cleaner, but it's actually what's under the hood that makes this a smart website versus this being a normal website. And again, it's not just the clean layout and the way it looks pretty. It's the fact that a smart website has AI built into it. So we have AI voice agents on the call now buttons. Those are robots that can answer the phone, okay? We have smart forms that collect people's information. And we also have a layout that's built to convert. But on top of that, we have AI widgets on the website that can give the website the ability to speak. Yes, this is the future. Check this out.
Hey, you have reached Connor's Landscaping. How can I help you today?
Hey, how you doing, Jasmine? I'm trying to book an appointment ASAP.
Hi there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Let's get that appointment sorted for you. Are you looking for something today? Or is tomorrow or Monday okay?
I want it right now.
Got it. Let me check what's available for
I could go on and on. It will just book appointments to customer support and guide me in the right direction. You have to understand just how powerful this is. And I'm telling you guys right now, local businesses do not have this at the time of this video. And if you don't believe me, go on Google and click every single website of every business and see if they have one of these. And I guarantee you, you're not going to find many. So what I want to do now is I want to show you how to set these AI smart websites up, but more importantly, how to sell them. I also want to let you know that I'm going to give you this Connor's Landscaping AI smart website completely for free. And that actually brings up an important part that in this video, I'm not trying to sell you some outdated course or some coaching product, okay? None of that. I'm just trying to give you something for free that worked for me. That's it. I also want to let you know that if you have any questions during this video at all, drop them down below and I'll answer personally because I am all about transparency and I just want to answer your questions because A, it gives me feedback, but B, it helps you as well. So let's go into this. The first thing you need to understand while we're going through and setting this up is that this is extremely valuable. It is solving problems that they already have, which is they need someone to man the phones or answer leads and do sales. A lot of businesses don't have this. So you're coming in with an offer that is already helping them. The second thing is it's super beginner friendly. A lot of other gurus online, when they show you stuff, it actually involves a lot of experience, a lot of different stuff that will just confuse you. This doesn't. And I will even prove to you by setting this template up in under 3 minutes. I will even time myself so you can see. So essentially what we're going to do is we're going to go through the setup as quickly as possible. I want to be transparent and then I'm going to show you how to sell it. So real quick, the tool I use to build this all out is called GoHighLevel. Okay, it's an AI powered software. It's amazing. I love it. And this is the software that you're going to use for all the operations with this smart website. What I did, because a lot of people online are like, oh, sign up for my software, sign up for my course, and they do all these things and they sell you, and then you're stuck wondering. I actually made this risk free. So what I did is I talked to the HighLevel team and I got you an extended trial, not a 14-day trial, but an extended 30-day free trial, which is right down below, where when you sign up with that, you can try this for 30 days. And if you don't like it, again, you're like, this is terrible, you can leave. No sweat off your back. That way you can see if you like this. Because too many of these gurus, they have these payment gateways because their courses and products aren't that good. So they're trying to get you in immediately. With this, it's like, I want you to decide. But on top of this, when you sign up with this 30-day free trial, okay, I don't just want to give you 30 days. I actually want to give you access to my private community, which is full of winners, as you hear, and people you can talk to, tons of courses, tons of different like materials, things that you're going to need on this journey. But more importantly, 6 to 7 live coaching calls that you can attend every single week for free to give you all the hand-holding you need. And these are with people like me, okay, John, real agency owners, real people that are actually doing this, okay, and selling high level and using it, not just random coaches. So I just want to let you know that I've really made this as risk-free as possible because again, these have to be housed somewhere. I can't just have them on the internet. They have to be on some sort of software. That's how they work. So I've literally made this risk-free. That way you can at least try it out. So again, to basically be able to build this, you're just gonna have to go down below and check that link out. But if you still want to wait and see me build this to see how easy it is, don't worry, I'm going to get right into that. So before before I go through and show you how to set this up, I just want to let you know, and this is really, really cool, is that I have AI prompts inside of my community to change this to other niches. So if you want to go after chiropractors, HVAC, electricians, we can use this AI prompt, put it into ChatGPT, and it'll actually spit out the right copy and all the stuff for the AI voice agents to train this on a different niche. You can pretty much sell to anybody. That's why this is also so powerful. It opens up the amount of people you can sell. So now what I want to do is I want to actually time myself to show you how simple this is to set up. Okay, so it's full transparency. So what we're going to do is we're going to start the timer right now, and I'm going to show you. So first things first, we're going to come into AI agents. We're going to come to voice AI. We're going to go to agent list, and we're going to click Jasmine. So you don't have to plug this up to a phone number if you just want it to be the AI voice widget, which is this, which is actually more than enough. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure this all looks good. Okay, we're going to leave all of this the same because it's already set up. Okay, and if you want to, you can change the voice.
The 90s were fun. Hey, my name is...
To whatever you want. I like Hope. It's a good voice. I would leave all of this the same because it will save you time, but that's up to you. And if you want to change a business name, you do it here and here and in here, and then you're good. So the AI voice agent is good, and we'll demo it here in a sec later through an appointment. But now what we're going to do is we're going to go back, and we're actually going to make sure that our website is properly set up. We're going to come right in here. We're going to click this. I'm going to come right to this template. And if you got this phone number and you got one, like I said before, you took theirs or bought one, you're going to put it in right in here. If not, we just use the AI voice widget. Everything else looks the same unless you change it to a different business. So this now looks good. So we're like, okay, we're just checking, making sure everything's good. So we're going to go back. Then we're going to come to chat widget. Okay. And we're going to come right to Jasmine. This will be the only one you see in the snapshot, which is the free template I'm giving you. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to go to agent, and we're going to make sure that Jasmine is selected. Then what we do is we come right back, go back to websites, click Connor's Landscaping, go to settings, and make sure Jasmine chat widget is selected. Then we click save. From there, we are done. That's it. Stop the timer. It is that fast. And that's what I've done with these pre-built out templates. And I have a ton more in my community. I'm not even kidding you guys. Like, this is absolutely insane. And I have a lot of different AI prompts, like I showed you before, so we can change this to different industries. That way you can target everybody. And that's the beauty of this. It is one of the most simple business models I have seen yet to date. So real quick, if you guys have any questions on this, drop in the comments down below. I want to be full transparent. If you think this sucks and you hate it, let me know so I can talk to you. If you think it's great, also let me know. I just want to be on the same page with you. And I think a lot of beginners come in here and they think stuff is too good to be true, but I'm telling you, I have not seen a business model like this because everything else involves all these complex moving parts. With this, it's just properly setting stuff up. And this template right here I'm giving you is free. Okay, so now that you understand how to set this thing up and what this is and why it's powerful and, you know, why it can do customer support and sales 24/7, I now want to actually move on to the next part, which is selling it and finding clients. Because so often in these videos, these gurus will just be like, oh, you do this and this, and then you're done. And you're left kind of like, well, what the heck am I supposed to do? I'm actually going to show you now what to do and also how to potentially have this thing sell itself so you don't have to. And this is the beauty of this, and you're about to see. So the first thing I want to let you know is pricing. How should you price this? So there's a couple different things you can do. Number one, if you're a complete beginner, you can do a free setup where you quickly set this thing up and you just give it away for free, which I actually recommend if you're a beginner because you're new and it just helps. And then you charge $297 per month, basically for the AI features and everything else. So that's one way you can do this, which for beginner, I recommend. The second way is a $1,000 to a $3,000 setup plus $297 per month. Now, this is if you're a little more advanced, but again, I don't think right off the bat beginners should be doing this because if you don't know anything about this, you may get burnt. And I'm trying to be transparent with you. You don't want that to happen. You want to build good, solid business relationships. Also, one thing you must know is when you do it for free, you're gaining experience, which is so valuable. And also, it's super easy to set up as you saw here. Also, in my community too, if you get in and you're like, how do I do this? I'm freaking out. You got these calls you can hop on to help you out. So do not worry, I got you covered. But that's going to be the first part is the pricing. So you need to pick kind of how you want to price this. Again, beginners recommend this, more advanced this, and you don't have to have $3,000. It could be less. You also, if you want, could charge, $197 per month. And that's the beauty of recurring revenue. It stacks every month and it's kind of freedom in my opinion. So that's the first part. So you understand pricing, you understand how to set it up. Now we have to move on to finding people. This is really sneaky and this is a hack that I love. So what most people do is they either just harass everyone and their neighbor, okay, trying to sell them them something, or they don't do anything because they're paralyzed. But the whole goal is you want to sell people that need the solution. So you have two different ways you can do this. Number one, we can find people without websites at all to give them the entire solution. But the other way is we can find people with existing websites and put the AI features on them. This is the second part that's so beautiful. We can convert any website to a smart website by adding AI features. And if you don't believe me, we can come right to Chat Widget. We can go to Jasmine, we can click Get Code, and we can paste this on anyone's website. And yes, this will pop up. That is how awesome this is. Like, you guys are seeing, this is a wide open, unsaturated market. Like, I'm not this enthusiastic and excited for nothing. I've been in this space for a while and I've never seen something this powerful. So now that you understand how to set these up, what to price them, we now need to move on to the most important part, which is where and how to find your clients. And we're gonna be doing this using ChatGPT and Google. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna just do plumber in Baltimore, Maryland. You put in whatever keywords you want. You pick it. So the first thing we're going to do, and this is the first way, is we're going to look for businesses that don't have, you guessed it, a website. So that's going to be your first people. And you want to pick a keyword and a niche to find this. So we're going to do more businesses. Okay, we're going to go down. 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 Boom. There's one. They do not have a website. You can look them up. They don't have a website. Go down, go down. We're going to go to the next page. Go down, go down, go down, go down. Okay, do again. No website, no website, no website. So we have multiple leads right off the bat that don't have websites. So that's the first way. You want to find people that do not have a website at all, give them one. And you can reach out a bunch of different ways. That could be sending a letter to them. That could be, cold calling. That could be walking in. There's all kinds of different ways. Don't worry. I cover a lot of that in my community. Or if you drop a comment down below, I can guide you. I have free resources everywhere, so don't worry about that. So that's the first kind, is finding people that don't have websites to give this website to. So that's the first part. The second part is finding people with websites and giving them the AI chat widget and installing it so their website is turned into a smart website. And that way, you don't have to charge the setup, but you can collect that recurring money. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to ChatGPT and say, please find me all the plumbers in Baltimore, Maryland that don't have the best websites. So poor SEO, no proper intake forms, or whatever, something like this. Just basic stuff where you filter out the criteria to find businesses, because these all have websites, but you really want to click every one and tweak. You don't want to do that. So here are plum companies whether you search potential that have poor data sites. Boom. So all of these people, these are the kind of people, because they have websites, you don't necessarily want to sell them a new one, which you could, but you want to slide in with this offer, which again, you could just charge the $297 for. So that way you can hit a broader amount of people, because so many of the services that these gurus online tell you to sell, they kind of go after a limited amount of people. With this, you can come in and you could type in anyone. It could be HVAC in Baltimore. It could be HVAC in Las Vegas. It could be landscaping in Seattle. You name it, you can just put it in and you have basically unlimited options. So that's kind of step two. Step number one is you understand how this works and how to set it up. Step number two is finding the people. Step number three, though, okay, is how to sell this to them. So one of the things that comes with this smart website in the community is, you guessed it, sales scripts, which help a ton. But you actually don't necessarily need to use the sales scripts. You can have the AI agent sell itself if you do it properly, which is super powerful, because what it's going to do is it's going to sell the businesses on selling their customers, not them. Super important distinction. Most people, they pitch the business owner, not their clients. This is super sneaky, because what it's doing is it's going to be pitching them on how they can get more clients as opposed to selling them. Now, beginners are doing this. Okay, and if you don't believe me, check this out. So Shayla, tell us about how many clients you have currently and just walk us through this entire process.
Yeah, so far I have around 7. I started
Damn.
the program end of December, and we just rocking and rolling. They said, I can do so much with this guy. I said, well, are you open to talking more options to see how we can install him into your business? And they were all for it. The agent sells itself.
So that right there, Shayla was a beginner who is doing this and has sold a ton of them. Now, again, this is not a guarantee, okay? You have to actually work hard. I'm not promising you that this is going to happen to you, but it can happen if you do everything properly. So what we want to do is we want to give them this smart website. Again, it can be matched in their business info, and we want them to either call it here or call the legit agent like this and have it talk to them. That way they can go through, okay, back and forth and see how it sells their clients. That is where the power is, because a lot of you guys aren't very good at sales. I know it. I talked to a lot of you guys. You guys suck at sales, and that's okay. We're all beginners at some point. But this way you can leverage AI to do the hard selling for you. And that right there, my friend, is magic. magic. So now let's do a quick recap. So first things first, you need to set this template up or use one of these prompts that I have in the AI community and ChatGPT to change this to whatever niche you want. And I also have more templates. So that's the first step, is understanding how to do this. And again, getting high level down below, 30 days for you get access to my community. That way you can at least try. And if you don't like it, you can leave, no problem. Second, you need to find the businesses, because you got to have clients. If you don't have clients, you're screwed. And number three is having it pitch itself. And that's a way it can sell itself. So that's kind of the 3 steps you want to follow, just like that. So that's it for the video, guys. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Again, if you want access to this entire community, high level for 30 days, that is all down below. Now, again, guys, I'm trying to give you as much stuff for free as possible so you can actually see how this works risk-free. Like, I love the idea of you coming in and being able to try this firsthand. And if you hate it, you hate it. You can leave. But I'm trying to give you all of this for free so that you can make the decision, as opposed to me like, here, give me some money, and then you don't know what's going on. So that's pretty much it. But what I want to do now is I want to link a video at the end of this video that's just going to walk you through the community, show some testimonials and stuff like that. That way you can see that this is actually legit. So guys, thank you for watching, and make sure you watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.